In the beginning of January, we mentioned Costco because of our Christmas game. The game is weekly chart, monthly chart. Do we have opportunity? And after that, basically, we also mentioned Costco has a wave to go up. This is weekly chart because it's a wave. Okay, so we invest for one way. And what happened to Costco? Basically, we have a downward for weekly chart. What does it mean? So if you bought here, this is the time to reduce or to sell, and you make pretty good profit from Costco. Basically, here is 800 something, and here is about 1,000. Okay, so this is pretty easy strategy for Costco, and you can see the winner has pointed out, hey, Costco. So, so he or she actually has a free access to my indicator for 2 weeks or 1 month, I forget. So this one, right? So the next point, do we still have chance for Costco? This is my question. Look at the market cycle. The blue, we are still tilting upward. Okay? The blue is still tilting upward. We under the purple. That's why they come back down as a pullback. Okay? So right now, we don't have a buy signal, but this stock has a big opportunity later on. Why? Because I want to show you something in monthly chart in 1 minute. So first thing we look at is the blue line. When the blue go upward, okay, and we have YM chip entry, especially YM chip entry for weekly chart or monthly chart. It means the institution come in here. They don't really go away for small profit. They go away for big profit. Okay. So right now the trend already go upward. The market cycle already upward. We just need to get this free light in the sequence of red, blue, purple. Red on the top, purple at the bottom, and they all go upward. Then this is a very complete market cycle. Now, not yet complete. We are still in the beginning of the market cycle for weekly chart. Okay, so now we can look left for the answer. When we under this purple, the purple will take time to change the direction, right? So we are kind of like the blue already going upward. Okay, so this is critical. It means Costco soon we will have another opportunity to buy for a longer wave. Okay, either like this or like this. Depends if they already go above the purple and the purple go upward. Once the purple, blue, red go like this, then this is the super bullish cycle. The whole market cycle is here. This is the fish body we want to eat. This moment, like here to here, is still fine. This is weekly chart. Easy, easy strategy. When they change upward, this is the buy point. When they change downward, this is a sell point. So the last Christmas, we have a game. Shall we play the game again? Now it's Easter. So it's quite good game. So let's play again. Name one stock. Everyone has a chance. Name one stock if they have a weekly chart or a monthly chart opportunity. If either they change the direction or they have YM chip entry, I give you free access to my indicator bundle for 2 weeks. Okay, this is free, completely free. So you just try your luck, and maybe we can find something good for our watch list. Okay, so now this is weekly chart. Now we want to go into monthly chart because monthly chart we play very big game. Now we look at here. The blue still go upward. The purple still go upward. What does it mean? It means the market cycle is still going upward for investment. Investment is super long term, okay? And look at the red. The red is starting to pointing upward, starting, not very steep like this. More steep, they go very fast. Still, we are just like from the flat to starting here. Okay, so this could give us a very good opportunity, something like this to buy. And once the red go above the blue, they will fly all the way up. So where is the best buy point? Of course, the maximum in short time you make perfect profits is here. When the red go above the blue, everything go upward, everything in sequence. This go very fast. But if you want to buy low at the beginning of the bull market, which is here, the beginning when they change from downward to upward. Okay, but if you look at the money also, if you look at the money, you can see they're going upward. Here, not yet strong because they still have the resistance. They still trying to shake out people. Not yet strong. Same thing here. They shake out people. They show you some risk. They come back down. Purple as a support and money coming in now. Here. Okay, the big volume trade. The best buy point, of course, is monthly chart YM chip entry here. Okay, then basically you're holding like crazily. That time, which is we back to 2009. At that time, the price, how much? Let me check here. The price is around 38 and now it's 993. How is that? So if you bought that time, you can use either purple strategy or blue strategy to sell and you make crazy profit still now. Okay, so do you want to do this? Let's do it together. And I'm asking anyone if you have a chance, like which stock monthly chart and weekly chart any opportunity for us to trade. Actually, in the future, I want to build a private group because private group, I can say everything. I can tell you what I'm doing. So it's more fair because here, because the regulation, I have to say everything is for education. But this is true also. I want you to learn before you earn, especially for those doesn't have my indicator. Don't do red line for daily chart because it's very fast. It's very fast. Okay, so now we go back to Costco. Costco here, this is the daily chart. You can see here, we're still under the blue. Okay, the first part, if you trade with Costco daily chart, basically, do we have a buy point? Where is the buy point? The buy point basically is on Monday. On Monday is the buy point, first entry point, but this is not all in point. This is not all in point. Why? Because the blue we are still going downward. We're still going downward. This is the price for you to enter, maybe with 10% or 30%. But this is not an all-in point. This is still a rebound because blue is still going downward. When they go above the blue, this is the second buy point here. Here, sorry, here. Okay, the second one here. And they go up, we still from, so as long as the blue from here, before this line, before here, we still use the red as a stop gain. After, when the blue change upward, we can change from the red to the blue to stop gain. Does it make sense? Okay, so right now we still on the process how to switch this trend to upward. This is Costco. So if you like this video, okay, like, subscribe, share with your friend, and I will look forward to see any good stock. By the way, I think the good stock is something would be quite shocked or something we've already forget. Okay, so see you next time. Okay, like, subscribe, share with your friend, and from now on, give me the stock symbol in the comment. So I will have a look for weekly chart and monthly chart. So now we start the game until 7th of April. Let's do it. See you next time. Bye.